Okay, welcome to your Decade Rosary Kit tutorial. In your kit, you will have received a length of cord, your Our Father bead, a Holy Spirit cross, a miraculous medal, and the 10 Hail Mary beads. So we are going to start by putting the first medal on. It doesn't matter which one you start with. I'm just going to start with the cross. And we're going to loop the cord through the ring on the cross. And we're going to fold it back over on itself. Fold it over like this. You're going to lay it over your knot tying tool. And then you're going to wrap the cord 3 times. 1, 2, 3. To the left. Then you're going to take the other end, put it through the barrel part of the tool till it's tight. Then you're going to pull the knot off, holding it in place with your fingers, and you're going to slowly work that knot tight. This is called a barrel knot, and you just don't want any of the parts overlapping each other. And when you have it tight, give it one last tug. And the additional things that you're going to need for this project, parents' supervision, is a pair of scissors and a lighter. So you're going to cut this little tail off, and then you're going to use a lighter to burn this end. It will make it nice and hard, and then that knot won't come untied. Okay. Then you're going to add the Our Father bead. So we're going to slip that right on our length of cord. And then you're going to tie a second knot. This one's going to be a little bit easier because we don't have the overlap. You're just going to lay the cord towards the right over the tool, and then you're going to do 3 wraps to the left. Wrap 1, wrap 2, wrap 3. Then you're going to take the end, put it through the barrel section, pull it tight, and we want this knot to be as close to this bead as we can get it. So hold that knot in shape, and then start pulling and finessing that knot tight. And you just want it to line up on the other side of that bead, because that bead is not going to move. It's going to stay where it is. And then pull that nice and tight so that now we have our cross and our Father bead. Now the next part is going to be the easy part for the kiddos. So if you want to hand over your reins, I'm just going to give that a little tight. We're just going to thread on all 10 of the Hail Mary beads. I'm just going to take all these out and just get stringing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We're going to pull all those down. Now it's this section that we want to leave space for the beads to move as you pray them. Totally up to you how much space you leave, but we're going to accomplish that by stringing on the miraculous medal on the other side, and the knot that we tie is going to create that space. So put your cord through the ring on the miraculous medal, and you're going to fold it over So it's like a taco. This is going to be the tricky part, moms and dads. You're going to take your tool. You're going to lay both parts of the cord over the tool, and you're going to grab your working part of the yarn. And we're going to do our 3 wraps to the left. Wrap 1, wrap 2, wrap 3. You're going to grab the end, loop it through the barrel. Now I have space where my beads end and where this knot is, and I want to keep that space. And you can put it as close to the miraculous metal as you want. Keep the shape of the knot, and then start finessing. Just going to move this out of the way there. Okay. And then same as we did at the beginning, we're going to cut this tail off and burn the end of this. Okay, and now you have this beautiful Decade Rosary. You can start at the cross, pray your Our Father, and then you can either drag the Hail Marys towards you. That's probably the way they would want to do it. All right, there you go. It's a nice little pocket rosary.